take another example, okay, with the proper dimensions here in int system, metric system, again in int system. So let's see this example. Now for the orthographic views, I will use this problem 3.7, that is in metric units. Okay, first of all I will make the copy. Okay, copy and come to AutoCAD. Again I will create a new file, AutoCAD ISO, open. Okay, and here I make the copy of this. Okay, so in this example I will show you how to draw the top view, front view and side view from 3D objects in AutoCAD. Okay, first of all you will see the dimensions, plan dimensions for the top view. Okay, so total dimension, plan dimension is 118 millimeter and 55 millimeter. So I will draw the box. Okay, here I will enter the dimensions. Okay, first 118, second is 55. Okay, 55 is complete. Okay, so our picture is bigger because I have just copied and paste it without scale. So I will just scale it down, scale, enter. Okay, here is the base point. Okay, must specify the scale factor. So I will specify the scale factor, let's see 0.1, enter. Now you can see the object is smaller. I will just select and move this object near to my the drawing. Okay, I will again make it smaller, select this object, press scale here, or you can just write full word scale. Okay, specify the base point and you can again 0.2. Okay, now it's looking good here. Okay, sorry, let's make it bigger. That much is okay. Okay, 118 millimeter is the x dimension and 55 millimeter is the y dimension, that is a top view. Okay, you can move it little bit up. Okay, that is the top view dimensions. Now the here is a 46 millimeter. I will again select the drawing, again select here, enter the horizontal dimension, that is again 118, and now the width is 46. Now I will again draw the rectangle, select here. Okay, press dimensions. Now first dimension is 118 and the second dimension is 46. Okay, software will ask which direction you want. Definitely in this direction. Select, just click here. Okay, why? Here is 46. I have made one more rectangle. Now for smaller rectangle, so let's see here. So the total distance is 46, this distance is 28, so 46 minus 28, that is 18. Okay, I will again make one more rectangle. Okay, from this point press D for dimensions, 118. Okay, So sorry, now the dimension will be not 118. I will come closer to 18 millimeter. Okay, first of all, here I will just enter 18 millimeter. Okay, software have picked that point. Now I will press enter. Okay, so now I will draw uh, the rectangular portion of this area. Okay, that is 18 millimeter away. Okay, so this dimension is 18 millimeter, and this remaining dimension will be, let's see from the calculator, 118 minus 2 times 18. Okay, that is rectangle dimension size 82 and 18. Okay, here is a snap. Okay, so to automatically pick the snap, I will just click here, enter dimensions. Okay, so one side length is 82, width is again 18. Okay, again software arc which direction, definitely in this direction, click here. Now this portion is also clear. Now for this projected part, okay, so this is the 62 millimeter, and this top and edge width is 9 millimeter, and the bottom of this wedge is 27 millimeter. Okay, so from this location to this where the edge start, that is 28 millimeter. I will make on one side and then I will copy for the other side. Okay, pick a line, click here and enter 28 millimeter. Okay, I got this point. So in this direction the distance is again 28. Okay, definitely that will come in this direction, and in this direction the length is 27. Okay, now I will go up. Okay, this top wedge distance is 9 millimeter. I will enter. Why I pick the next point? So that my line will remain horizontal. So I will just enter 9, enter. Okay, so now I will just select these three lines. Okay, and make a mirror. Okay, sorry, here is mirror, and I will just pick the center point. Okay, here is the center point, select enter. Okay, erase source object means, do you want to erase these lines? No, I want to remain as it is. Okay, press enter. Okay, now here is the opening. I will just read this opening by using trim command. Press enter. Okay, at this edge that will not, because this is the end of the object, only at this end that will be deleted. Okay, so that's how I have drawn the top view. So now I will draw the front view. Now I will show you how to draw the front view of this object. Okay, so in the front view you will see the heights and lengths. So the total height of this object, okay, that is a 54 millimeter. Okay, and the length is again 118 millimeter. I will select the rectangle, just snap the edge and just little bit down, select the first point, enter dimension for D. Okay, length is again 118 millimeter and the height is 54 millimeter. Okay, okay, so now the here is a little projection of 12 millimeter. So again I will select the rectangle, select this point, enter D, 118 millimeter, and the height is 12 millimeter. Okay, now for the next height, okay, here you can see the height from this object to this object. Okay, so from this point to this point, that is a 32 millimeter. Okay, so if we subtract 12 millimeter, then the remaining object height will be 20 millimeter. Okay, so now I will draw the opening of 20 millimeter, enter D, 118, then second is 20 millimeter. Okay, so again I will move little bit, 18 millimeter horizontal from this point. Okay, at this point I will pick the rectangle. Okay, and for rectangle I will enter the distance again. The remaining distance is 82 millimeter. Okay, and the height is 14 millimeter. Okay, this point, enter dimensions. Length is 82 millimeter. When you subtract 118 millimeter minus 2 times 18 millimeter, that is 82 millimeter, and the height is 14 millimeter. That is the height, 14 millimeter. Okay, so now for this projected part. Okay, so if the total height is 54 millimeter, and if we subtract the 32 millimeter, then that will be remaining height of this wedge. Okay, so where I will draw the wedge, so definitely I will go 28 millimeter from the right side. From this point, right 28 millimeter, that is the point I got. Okay, I have already drawn the full height, so I will just press shift. So this is the height of this wedge. Okay, similarly I will go 9 millimeter horizontal, 9. Okay, then for the slope, where should I end? Okay, for this, here is the total wedge width, that is 27 millimeter. Okay, 27 millimeter. The wedge height, enter, press enter, then the wedge will come under here. Okay, similarly I will make the copy. Or mirror, definitely at the center point. Okay, do you want to erase? No. Now I will remove the unnecessary lines from this front view. For that I will select trim, press enter. Okay, this line, this line, this line, this line. Okay, so now the front view you are seeing. Okay, the dimensioning I will show you later. So that is the front view. Okay, so now I will draw the right side view. For the right side view, again I will use the meter line, that is a 45-degree line. I will move the object little bit up. Okay, here I will draw the 45-degree line. Select here, press @ symbol for 45-degree line. So I have just used 200 millimeter line. Angle is 45 degree. Okay, so that is a meter line. So this line I will use for the right side view. Okay, here pick this point, press shift, here, press enter. Okay. Now for this cutting edge, okay, for exact line I will just enter the exact height, that is 12 millimeter. Okay, then I will use the horizontal line. Now for the wedge cuts, okay, here are the wedges. Okay, just horizontal line, enter. Okay, now for the back side cut, here. Now I will remove the unnecessary line. You will see the right side view. Okay, again enter TR, press enter, press enter. Okay, this line is unnecessary, this line again unnecessary. Okay, and now here are some features will be hidden. Okay, in the front view there is no hidden feature, and in the top view again there is no hidden feature, but in the right side view, okay, before making the hidden feature you have to select this object and press explode either from right side or from the top. Okay, here explode. Now the lines are separate. Okay, for the hidden line I have to go in the layer properties, define new layer, because I am working in a new document. Hidden, continuous, load, hidden. Okay, okay, okay. Now I will select these two lines and give the hidden property. Okay, so this feature, this cut feature will also covered. Now here the horizontal line, which is also act as a cut. Enter, select this line and assign hidden line feature. Okay, now this right side object is also complete. Now I will do the dimensioning or annotation. Here is a linear. Here you will see the height. .54 millimeter. Okay, now let's see in the top view. Total length is 118 millimeter. Width is 55 millimeter. Okay, 18 millimeter, 18 millimeter. Okay, what is the wedge length? It is 28 millimeter. What is the spacing? That is 8 millimeter. Total wedge length, that is 27 millimeter. Okay, what is this step? That is 9 millimeter from top. So let's see the heights. Again, the total wedge height is 22 millimeter. This step height is 20 millimeter. This is 12 millimeter. Okay, let's see the top to bottom. Height is 54 millimeter. Total length is 118 millimeter. Okay, that is again 9 millimeter. 27 millimeter. Okay, so that's how you can dimension the each side or each object. Okay, so this lecture covers the how to draw the orthographic projections in AutoCAD. So that's all for today's lecture. Have a nice day.